Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we're going to discuss Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is sort characters by frequency, and it is a medium level problem. So the problem is fairly straightforward, and you just have to do what it says. You have to sort the string in decreasing order based on the frequency of characters, and the frequency of characters is basically the number of times it is present in the string. Now the characters can be anything. It can be uppercase and lowercase English letters as well as digits. Right. Now what we have to do is we can try to first of all store the frequency inside a map. This part is very simple. Now in the second part you just have to sort them. Now there are two ways of solving this problem. The first way is to use some data structure like a priority queue or a set maybe, right, so that all these elements are sorted in some certain order. Now in this case the order is frequency, right? So or the other way can be you can create a vector of pairs and then sort the vector according to your required conditions. So in this case I have used a priority queue. I don't think that this particular question needs a separate explanation. It's just what it says. You just have to follow it step by step. So what I've done here is I've created a priority queue of pairs of integer comma character, right? The first part is the integer, that is denoting the frequency, and the second part is the character, that is denoting the character itself. Now since the priority queue is a max heap by default, you will realize that the integer, the first element or the top element in the priority queue, will always be the one with the maximum integer value. So what I do now is I'm just going to go through the map and push each of these elements into my priority queue. Now I initialize my answer with an empty string, and while my priority queue is empty, I take two variables from the top of the queue, that is count as well as the character C. Now while count minus minus, I just add this particular C to my answer. So while count minus minus means basically this loop will get executed count number of times, and those number of times my answer or this character C will be appended to my answer. At the end I can just return my answer, and this would be the overall solution. Instead of using a priority queue, you can also use a vector of pairs and then sort the vector by using a custom comparator, right? That is also good enough solution. Now let me just quickly submit this and show you that this particular code works. So this question was very simple. You didn't need any separate explanation. You just have to do what it says. Now you can see this passes all the test cases and this solution is correct. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then consider dropping a like on this video, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and we will reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.